Hi guys, I'm going to take a class about applications of mathematics in navigation. So, coming with the introduction, navigation is an art and science of finding the way from one location to another. It has been an essential aspect for human history since ancient times, as people needed to navigate across the land and sea to trade, explore, and conquer new territories. Navigation involves in determining one's location, course, and destination, and using that information to plan and execute a journey. So navigation requires a combination of knowledge, skills, and tools such as map reading, chart plotting, compass use, and route planning. It also involves in understanding of the environment such as weather patterns, ocean currents, and terrain. Navigational aids such as buoys, lighthouses, and radius beacons are used as aid navigation. So overall, plays a crucial role of sea safely and efficiently to travel over the world. So coming with the main point, navigation. Navigation refers to the process of planning, recording, and controlling the movement of a vehicle or a vessel from one location to another. Navigation can be done on a land, air, or water and involve using the various tools and techniques to determine the position, direction, speed, and the distance traveled. So the the goal of navigation is to arrive at the desired destination safely and efficiently while avoiding the obstacles and hazards. Effective navigation requires knowledge of geography of the area being navigated and understanding of the various tools and the techniques used and the ability to interpret the analyze the information obtained from those tools. And the subtopic of the navigation is celestial navigation. Celestial navigation is the art of using celestial bodies such as sun, moon, stars, and planets to determine one's position and the course position. It is used from centuries by sailors, explorers, and the navigators who needed to travel across the sea where there are no landmarks or navigational aids. Celestial navigation requires an understanding of astronomy and the ability to make the accurate measurements. It also requires accurate time peaking as the position of celestial bodies changes with time. Today, celestial navigation is less than commonly used as a widespread availability of an electronic navigation such as GPS, but it remains an essential skill for sailors and the navigators who travel to remote areas from those who wish the study of the history of navigation. And the second subtopic is electronic navigation. Electronic navigation refers to the use of electronic devices such as systems to determine the position, speed, and the direction of the vessel or aircraft. This type of navigation has been increasingly popular in the recent years due to the advancement of technology. There are several types of electronic navigation systems that are commonly used, including such as GPS, which is known as Global Position System. The system of the satellites are providing accurate position of the information. GPS widely used in both marine and aviation navigation. Then next is ECDIS, which is Electronic Charge Display and Information System. This system is used for electric charge to display the vessel position. And next is radar. The radar system is also used to distance from the vessel. It is commonly used in both marine and aviation navigation. Then the next is AIS, which is Automatic Identification System. This system is used in marine navigation and identify the track of the vicinity. So electronic navigation system has greatly improved safely and efficiently in maritime and aviation industries by providing accurate and reliable information for the navigator. Then the next subtopic is piloting. Piloting is the process of which navigating or vessel of an aircraft is relatively confined and familiar, such as a harbor, river, or an airport. So piloting requires thorough language of the area and the knowledge for being navigated, including any hazards or obstructions. It also requires good communication skills as the navigator must work closely with members. So overall, piloting is a critical component of safe and efficient navigation and requires a combination of skills, experience, and technology to be successful. Then the next is compass navigation. Compass navigation is a method of a navigation that uses a compass to determine the direction of the travel. A compass is a magnetic instrument that indicates the direction of the magnetic north. Compass navigation is a basic navigation technique that has been used for centuries and it can be used in many situations. However, it is important that the compass navigation has limitations. Magnetic north and has always the same true north, and the magnetic field can be affected by the external factor as a nearby metal objects or an electromagnetic interface. And the next is route planning. Route planning is a process of determining the best route and the course travel for the one or more points. It involves in analyzing the various factors such as distance, weather, navigational hazards, and the available resources to create a safe and efficient route. The process of route planning is typically involves in several steps like defining the route, analyzing the route, creating the route plan, and monitoring the route. Route planning can be done by manually using maps, charts, and other navigational tools, or it can be done by using an electronic navigation system such as GPS and ECIDS. And next, regardless of the method used, the goal route planning is always to create the safe and efficient route to take an account of the all relevant factors. The next is navigational aids. Navigational aids are the devices or create an assisted navigators in determining the position and the course while traveling the land, sea, and air. So, some of the navigational aids are beacons and bios, lighthouses, GPS, which is global position systems, and the radar and electronic charts, and the visual flight rules, and the nautical charts. So, the navigational aids are an essential tools for navigators, helping to navigate safely and efficiently, and they are used for conjunction with the navigational techniques such as compass navigation, renocking, and to provide a comprehensive understanding and the navigator portion of the travel. And next, coming with the conclusion. In conclusion, navigation is a process of determining the position of the course and the of a vehicle or a vessel in motion. It involves in combination of techniques such as navigational aids, reading charts, and utilizing the electronic navigation systems. Navigation is a critical for safe and efficient travel, and it requires a combination of skills, experience, and technology to be successful. Whether traveling on land, sea, or air, navigators rely on a variety of tools and techniques to ensure that they reach their destination safely on time. Thanks for watching this video, guys.